Hi guys, my name is Em and welcome back to Em Collects. So today I have my Japan haul. If you guys don't know or haven't seen any of the vlogs yet, I went to Japan in May for like 2.5 weeks and it was the best experience of my life. And so today I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the things that I purchased. I won't be showing everything that I bought just because it doesn't really pertain to what I talk about on this channel usually. But I will have a TikTok posted. If it's not up by now, I will post it probably around the time that this video gets posted because I'm filming this ahead of time. That will show everything that I purchased just because I did buy a lot of clothes. I bought a lot of clothes. And I don't really talk about like regular clothing on this channel, so I just put like a picture of it in the TikTok, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But let's go ahead and get into all the other stuff that I purchased because I'm so excited to share with you guys all the finds that I got while I was there. So starting off from Akihabara, I went to the Mandarake that is in Akihabara. I can't remember exactly which one it is, but I got not one, not two, but let's see, 3 Miku Nendoroids. So I went to Japan, right? I have owned nothing Hatsune Miku ever. I come back with 3 Nendoroids. Alright, and the next thing that I have is another Hatsune Miku. This one's a figure. I can't remember the exact name of it right now, but I will post it here for you guys. But yeah, she's cool. I totally thought that this figure was on the box. It kind of looked like it was sitting, but she's actually like laying down, so I have it on, this is the stand I came with, and then you guys saw in the like close-up, I have it on it's a China display stand that I usually use to display like art books or whatever, but this like fit perfectly on it, so that's how it's being displayed. But yeah, I am now a Hatsune Miku fan, but I don't know any of the lore, so I need to like learn it. Also, when I was in Akihabara, I picked up these 2 figures from Furen. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. I haven't watched it, but I've seen so much hype about it, and these were too cute to pass up, so I kind of just walked into a random store and I picked up some things. So I picked up this little guy he's from Tokyo Revengers. I don't know his name because I haven't read it since Redacted died. But I know the ending to it, so maybe I will eventually start reading it again. I probably will read it once all the English physicals are like out, but not really on my top priority. But he was like 500 yen, and I was like, I'm not passing it up. I might be exaggerating, but I know he was really, really cheap. But also from that same store, I picked up this Kafka figure from Kaiju number 8. He's adorable. I love him. He looks better in this figure than I have seen in the anime previews. However, I will say I am filming this in June, but I still haven't watched any of the anime, so maybe they improved his looks in the anime compared to like when they did the first teaser, because they messed my man up in the teaser because he does not look like that in the manga. He looks so much better in the manga, so I'm hoping they fixed how he looks. Also from that same store, I picked up this Aki figure. He was like 900 yen, and I was like, yes, we're going to buy him. Alright, and so I got a bunch of Smithskis from Donkey because here in the US, they're like, depending on where you go, they're like $8 to $10, sometimes $12 for a Smithski, which is crazy. I usually don't buy them when they're like 12, but like when they're 10, I'll let it slide. They're like $4.50 USD at Don Quixote in Japan, so I picked up 6. I haven't opened them yet. Obviously, they're still in the box. Alright, and as for gachapons, while we're talking about blind boxes and stuff like that, I would say gachas are kind of like blind boxes because you don't know what you're gonna get. I actually didn't do that much gacha while I was there. I did my first full day when I went to Nara. There was a big like place that had a bunch of gacha, and I thought I would kind of just like do it as I went through Japan, but I would get sucked into the claw machine games and play it like 10 times and then lose all 10 times, and then I would just walk out without doing any gacha because I was upset about how much money I lost. I went to the Mofusan store in Tokyo Character Street and I picked up a few things. I'm saying a few like it was a little bit, but I picked up a good amount of things. I picked up these socks that have the shark mofus on, which is my favorite one on there. And I picked up some little stickers. This is a travel sticker. I was gonna put it in my suitcase, but I'm not sure. I might put it somewhere else. But I also picked up this one for, I'm gonna start journaling again. But it's got him holding the Tokyo Station like sign, which is where Tokyo Character Street is, which was super cool to go. I really wanted to go to the Chikawa store, but the line for it, I swear, was like 200 people long, so I didn't get to go in it. And I also picked up this little stamp that was in collaboration with Sanrio, so it's got Mofu-san and Pochako on there, which is super cute. And then I also, if you guys didn't see in that little first clip where I picked up 10 blind boxes with Mofu-san characters in them. Did I need all of these? No, I didn't, but I did buy all of these. Alright, and the last kind of anime-ish related thing that I purchased, which like really isn't anime related, is this Vivienne Westwood bag that is everything that I needed. This is like anime related by like 7 degrees of separation theory, because Nana. And as for someone who has complained about Nana on this channel specifically, and like anyone who I ever talked to about Nana, it's surprising that I actually have a lot of stuff that would make you think about Nana, because so I had this wallet. This is the Vivienne Westwood executive wallet, which matches the bag, right? I took this to Japan. Ideally, I really wanted to get the Anna camera bag from Vivienne Westwood in black. It was sold out everywhere. I went to like 10 different Vivienne Westwood stores, and they only either had like red or like this like really dark green that I didn't like, and it was like snakeskin. I didn't like it. And then I even realized at the store that it did have like the dark green one, this wallet doesn't fit in it, so I had to get this one. Also, this bag is apparently very hard to find in Japan, because I was wearing it and walked into another Vivienne Westwood store, and the employee, she was like, "Oh my god, where did you get that? I haven't been able to find it." How was the employee not able to find it? I digress, but yes, so this is like my first Vivienne like bag. Obviously I have the wallet. Oh my god, the sun just went down, so now I look really pale. But anyways, so I have the wallet, I have this bag now, and then of course I have the orb pearl necklace, and that's my Vivienne collection for now. I don't see myself really buying anything else from Vivienne at the moment, considering that all I really wanted was a bag to put my Vivienne wallet in. And then I'm just going to show you guys a few of the beauty products that I did purchase. So I did purchase 2 of these cleansing oils. This brand is very popular in Japan. It was at a few of the hotels that I stayed at. They had this brand of the cleansing oil, and it worked very good for waterproof mascara. So I'm hoping it'll work really well with the 4 heroin mascaras that I purchased, despite never trying them. And don't tell anyone, but I did open the boxes and throw them away while I was still in Japan. And then I purchased one of the removers. So I hear people say that this is really good because it's on the brush, but I figured I could just kind of put more makeup remover in the tube and use it. I don't know. If that's not how it works, then I guess I'm out of luck getting this stuff off of my eyes. But otherwise, I went to Nishiki Market. I'm sure you guys have seen TikToks if you guys are on Japan TikTok. There is a furikake that's like going viral. They had samples of it. Was not for me. There's just like way too much sesame, and I don't like sesame like that, so I didn't get that, but I did pick up a different one from that same little shop. You could sample literally everything in that little shop, which is super cool, by the way. So I did pick up some furikake, but not the viral one. I think this one is better. And then I also picked up some spices. So yeah, these ones are still wrapped. But so this one is the hottest one that they have. I almost choked in the store trying it, but me and my brother, like growing up, we loved eating spicy food, and we still do, obviously. But I figured he would really enjoy this one. And then I got this one. It's a little bit more mild. It's still, I think it was like a 7 out of 10. I can't remember. It's a 6 or 7 out of 10 on the spice chart or whatever. But it has like a yuzu-ish flavor to it. Like it's kind of citrusy too. I don't know, it's pretty good. So I did buy a like little refill for this little canister once this canister is out, which I'm super stoked about. Also, the tins are so cute. But yeah, just some little spices, kind of boring, but although I won't show you guys all the tea that I purchased, I will show you something that's like matcha related that I did buy. It is these Uji matcha strawberry truffles from a little shop in Uji, because I spent like a day there, and oh my god, Uji is beautiful. I bought way too much tea there though, so my hands were hurting by the time that I got back to Kyoto because I was looking around so much tea. But super excited about these. My coworker did make a good point. I don't know if I was allowed to bring these back actually because they're strawberries, but I don't know if it's different because they're not like fresh. So we'll find out if eventually they come in to arrest me for bringing these back. Alright, and this video is already so long, so we're just gonna speed run through some miscellaneous items that I bought. But the mosquitoes in Japan are no joke. So I picked up this little like cooling thing for like bug bites. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Like I literally put it on in the morning and I was fine for the entire day. Like I wasn't itchy at all. And also because it's like cooling, if there's like a cooling sensation when you put it on, it feels so good. So of course I bought this one, and then on my last day I went to Donkey and had to pick up 2 more to bring back home because these are so good, holy cow. And then among the many like kind of souvenirs that I brought back for friends and family, I bought a ton of chopsticks because first off, I'm Chinese. I use chopsticks every day in my life, and so does my family. And yeah, so that's kind of like I feel like there's no explanation for that other than the fact that their chopsticks are so cute. Alright, and so the last thing I will be showing you guys today that I purchased from Japan is gonna be those cooling patches or heat patches that everyone on TikTok has been talking about. I have a ton of back pain. I work in healthcare. Moving patients hurts my back a lot, or my legs too. So of course I had to stock up on these. I just got 3 boxes. I got 2 of the heating ones and then 1 box of the cooling. I don't know if they will work for me, so that's why I only got 3, but I've seen people like come back with like 20 boxes of these. But I was also kind of running out of room. Not really room, but more of weight. My suitcase was heavy. I was just underneath the 23 kilo mark at the airport, so I was super lucky about that. So next time I will definitely be going back with 2 checked bags instead of just 1. 1 was not enough. But yeah, so that's everything that I bought in Japan. I don't know why I said everything. It is not everything that I bought in Japan, because if I did show that, this video is already annoyingly long, I'm sure, and I had to edit it down so it's not super boring. But yeah, so that is most of what I purchased in Japan, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video showing you guys what I bought. Like I said, anything that I didn't show will be shown in the TikTok. I wish I could show you guys everything, but that video would probably be like 2 hours long because of how much stuff I bought. But yeah, without further ado, all my socials are linked down below in the description box if you want to go ahead and stalk me there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!